How can you get answers to your questions and help with the problems you have learning about ethical hacking in this course? I think the most valuable part about this course are not the videos themselves. I think the community here is where you can get the most help. There are 33,000 plus other students here looking to learn the same things you are doing. There are hundreds of students here with expert level experience at exactly what you're trying to learn who have the ability to answer your questions in the course. If you post a discussion with your question, the way hundreds of students have done before you, you can get an answer every single time you post a question. We have people paid here to answer your questions. And Ermin and I check on the questions in the course also, and other students are looking at the course. So if you'll type a title for your discussion, and then if you'll ask the question here, you can count on answers just like the people before you've got. Within an hour, you'll see a quick question here answered within an hour right away. Questions down here, an hour ago, 3 replies already. Questions here, 2 hours ago, multiple replies, including screenshots. The entire course is like this. You can count on answers to your questions. And if you have some really deep technical problems, what you would want to do, or if you want to really take it to the intermediate and advanced level, try and network with some other students in the course. Encourage people to send you a message so that you can chat and meet together and get to know each other more, and then build relationships. The best examples I've found of that are in my own life. The most amazing things I've been able to do with anything are when I've collaborated with other people trying to do the same things I am, and collaborated with people that have complementary skills to mine. If you bring your skills together and someone else's skills together in the discussion question in this course, then you can get some amazing results. Some of the lectures specifically also have discussions related to that lecture. So if you have questions about that lecture, for example, if you have questions about the second lecture or another lecture in the course, you can click on the discussion button here, and then you can go over to the right side up in the right-hand corner, and you can click on this button and you can see all of the discussions that relate specifically to this lecture. If you have problems with things like the course loading or problems with technical issues, you can often download the lecture to get around those problems. If you have technical problems with working on Udemy, such as videos playing or payment issues or anything else with Udemy, just go to support.udemy.com and you can get answers there. You can search Udemy specific questions like lectures missing or lectures not playing right. And if you have problems, you can actually contact Udemy by opening a support ticket down here at the bottom. All Ermin and I do is upload lectures to this course and then manage the tools Udemy gives it. Any of the tools not working properly, any technical problems, only Udemy can solve. Ermin and I cannot solve them. So thank you very much for getting this far into the course already. Ermin and I are consistently working to make this the best course possible for you. And we'd love to know if you like the course, if you have any ideas for what we can add to it also. Thank you.